Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a number 56. That's right. The 56 is a Jersey Mike sub, the Big Kahuna cheese steak. That's what we're going to be making today. Now, of course, you see me with this little Jimmy John's French bread, because they refused to sell me their bread again over there at Jersey Mike. So I'm going to use this as the same type of bread that they use too as well. So we're just going to use that. All right. Or you can use any other type of French bread that you want to use. It doesn't matter. So you're going to need that. You're going to need some white American cheese. You're going to need some jalapenos. You're going to need some green and red bell pepper. You're going to need an onion. And you're going to need some of this right here, which is, this ain't nothing but simply olive oil, okay? But the star of the show is the sirloin steak. Now this sirloin steak I got from, that's right, Walmart. All right, you get 4 of those in the pack. I can show you that. But this Big Kahuna cheese steak is going to be off the chain. This is one their hot subs. So you get 4 of these bad boys in here. All right, and it's well worth it. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump into this Big Kahuna cheese steak. So guys, pay attention, and it's going to be really simple. All right, see you guys over there. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna put some olive oil in here first, like so. We're gonna come in here with our steak. Just gonna throw those in there. I will leave some links to me making my own steak sandwiches, Philly cheese steak. So guys, go check those out. They off the chain. You'll love them. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take us some thyme. Put a little of that on there. Throw in a little black pepper. We're going to come in here with some salt. We're going to start mixing it up. Now, this point right here, so it don't take long for this meat to cook. You come in with the veggies. Alright, slice and dice lines up right here. I did add like 3 garlic. They don't call for it, but I did want to, garlic in mine like so. Just intensify the flavor. About to break that one up. Like it's too long. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and continue to cook this for about 2 more minutes. And then we're going to come back and add our cheese and stuff like that. And we're going to cook these bad boys together. This Big Kahuna cheese steak ain't no joke. I had one, but I like homemade. That's why I'm showing you guys how to make your own at home. Okay? Big Kahuna, Jersey Mike sub. Hot sub, that is. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I forgot to add my peppers. You can add this later if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and put them all in there now. And chop some of those up if you want. Mix them up. This big kahuna is almost ready. Probably another minute or so on here. Just break down these vegetables and we should be good to go. That's how that looks. Smells really good too. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Just gonna start laying me some cheese in here. Alright, turn this off. We're gonna go ahead and put this on a piece of bread. And I'll show you what we got. All I'm gonna do is take one of these right here and just transfer it over there to my bread. And that's it. Just like that, guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Number 56 Jersey Mike sub, the Big Kahuna cheese steak, right there. Alright, so let me see if I can bring this up there close by you so you can see it. You know, I always try to let you guys see it close up and all that stuff. This is Jersey Mike Big Kahuna hot sub, the Big Kahuna cheese steak. So yes, it looks pretty good. And it's gonna taste pretty good too, I can guarantee you that. I know you guys be laughing at me, but that's okay. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for me. Please hit that bell. Just like that. That's all it takes. For you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Much love.